Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to show you how to make avocado and berry smoothie. This is very good as a breakfast. So let's see what are the things I have used to make it. So I took 1 cup of blueberries washed, and I have few strawberries as well, so I cut it and then I am using it, and I am going to put them in the blender. And I have a big avocado, it is almost ripe enough, so I am going to use half of them. And as a water content I am using regular milk. Since the berries are a little bit sour, and I am going to add 1 tablespoon of honey in it, and that's it. Blend it nicely and our smoothie is ready. It is full of healthy fats and antioxidants. Thank you for watching.